A hand tamper compacts an asphalt or gravel patch far more effectively and predictably than simply driving over it with a vehicle tire. A tamper delivers concentrated vertical force directly into the repair area, which produces denser packing of aggregate and binder and minimizes voids that trap water. Use a cyclic pounding motion with even spacing across the patch to achieve consistent density. Focus on the edges first to lock the perimeter and then work toward the center. For cold patch asphalt, compact immediately after placing material while it is still malleable, and for granular base material, moisten slightly to aid particle rearrangement without making it muddy. Match the tamper size to the patch so that each strike overlaps the previous by roughly 50%, which avoids soft spots. If the patch is deeper than 2 inches, consider compacting in lifts, meaning fill and tamp in layers to prevent loose subsurface layers. After using the tamper finish by driving over the area with a vehicle and a sheet of plywood under the tire to evenly distribute load for final seating and to avoid imprinting tread patterns, people often make 3 recurring mistakes when compacting patches, and each has a straightforward fix. First, not compacting immediately after placing the material leads to poor bonding and rapid failure, so always tamp while the mix is workable. Second, using a car tire alone concentrates load unevenly and can leave voids, so follow tamping with a vehicle and plywood for uniform final seating rather than relying on the tire alone. Third, attempting to compact too large a patch at once creates inconsistent density, so divide deeper or larger repairs into smaller lifts or sections and tamp each one thoroughly before adding more material. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to repairs like compaction and paving. We also host a discussion community where users share practical tips, ask questions, and compare techniques so everyone can make smarter decisions on projects.